Hi, this video is to help you learn how to do research using the Cerritos College Library Databases. For your paper, for paper number 3, you're required to use some sources from the database. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that if you've never done that before. And this will be pretty quick since it's not too difficult. Okay, first of all, go to the Cerritos College homepage, which is right here. Okay, and then you're going to click on Current Students and click on Library. That'll take you to the library homepage. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, then over here on the left side, click on Library. Well, you'll see Library Links. Click on Research Databases. Okay, this will take you to the library databases. Okay, as you can see, they're all in alphabetical order. There are a bunch of them, and there are different descriptions telling you what each database consists of. The difference between these database sources and regular online sources is that everything here is published. These articles come from journals, newspapers, magazines, government publications, and things like that. Okay, so that's why you're required to use sources from here. Okay, I'm going to recommend that you go into Academic Search Complete, which is right here, only because this has pretty much everything. So you're going to click on this. If you're using a computer that is off campus, it'll ask you for your username and password. This is the same information you put into your My Cerritos account in Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay, and here we are at the database. Okay, so just go ahead and type in The Stranger, Albert Camus and the Stranger. And yes, his name is pronounced Camus, not Camus. Okay, so I'm going to click on Search. And it shows 113 articles, so you can get all of your sources just from this database, or you can go into another database if you'd like. But you want to click on full text over here. Sometimes the library brings up these articles and they're not actually in the database. Like I think this first one right here, there's no link to a full article. So if you click on full text, it'll only bring up the articles that the database has. So right now we have 113. I'm going to click on full text. And that narrows it down to 86 articles. Okay, and this share article, this one right here, is pretty commonly used among students. So I'll go ahead and click on that. So you'll just click on PDF full text. And here's the article right here. It's still loading. Okay, here we go. So here's the entire article. You only need to take out one idea from this article, so you can just, it's 20 pages as you can see. You can just skim through it, see if you can find something that pertains to your paper, and take an idea out of it, and then be sure to paraphrase it in your paper. You'll see that the language here is very technical. Okay, once you have that, you need to cite it on the Works Cited page, and the database will cite the sources for you. So you just go over here to right here, Cite. Click on it, okay, and then go down to MLA, and here's your citation right here. Okay, so that's what you would need to put on your Works Cited page. Sometimes it puts the author's name in all caps. Remove that. Make sure it's lowercase, and then right here it says EBSCOhost. That's how I know that it's a database source. And that is all you need to do.